How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen. Thank you for tuning in to our daily dog walk. We are out with 8 of the big dogs this afternoon. It's a bit windy, a bit cold, but it's blue skies and it's lovely. So stay with us while I take you through our dog antics and introduce you to the pack and show you all our fun. If you're enjoying the content, please subscribe and then you won't miss out on tomorrow's walk. Thanks for watching. So, time for me to introduce you guys to the pack again. Right, so today's gang are Max and Max, Biscuit, Pablo, Lily, Juno, Lottie and Tag. Is it nice, Tag? Tag. Thank you, boy. Good boy. That's the gang for today, guys. Stay with us. Okay, thank you. Right, I'm just going to talk this piece away from the camera so you're not going to see my face. But we're going to cross this moor here and we're going to really need to keep our wits about us because I've seen deer in this area the last couple of times we've been here. So we've popped Tag here on the lead, who is our youngest and most excitable. Also has the highest hunt and prey drive. So we're just going to curtail his energy for a few minutes and see how the rest of them respond, and if needs be the rest can go on the lead, but the ultimate goal is to let Tag off the lead. Good girl. Is that good fun, sweetie? Yes. Hey, Pablo. We don't need you barking, thank you. I'm making a video. Right, guys, so I don't know if the previous video was going to work or not. What I was saying on the moor was I had pretty bad body language from Tag. He was pulling, his ears, nose and tail were up, and he was desperately trying to find whatever has been in this area. we got to a point where I could sort of see and scan the whole area, and I sort of asked the camera, I said, what would you guys do? And it'll be interesting to find out in the comments and from the owners like what you would have done at this point. But essentially I let him off the lead, and he's been absolutely fantastic. He's burnt off some great energy, he's been really responsive, and he's now back on the lead just purely because he can launch this fence and we're not going this way. So yeah, so it's been great fun. Today's walk has been truly excellent. Weather's been glorious, dogs have been amazing, and we've just had all round good fun. The guys that are out today kind of require a little bit extra stimulation and a little bit extra work, so we push ourselves a little bit further, but we get the rewards for it, we get the views, we have the fun. It's been great. If you've enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next walks, and any likes and comments are greatly appreciated also. I'll respond to all the comments, any questions you have, any questions about the dogs or what I do. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next walk.